Hello everyone, my name is AK Steve Onyike. I'm here to talk about the dangers of drugs and addiction. Addiction, by way of definition, is a condition in which a person finds themselves unable to stop using a substance or engaging in behavior. It can also be defined as an urge to do something that is hard to control or stop, like taking cigarettes, taking alcohol, or doing drugs like marijuana. At first, taking drugs might look easy. Perhaps one is being influenced, or you want to impress friends, and before long, you find yourself being drawn into it because these things, alcohol, cigarettes, marijuana, or drugs, contain stimulants that tend to pull like a magnet. For you who have not been drawn into it, God bless you, and please don't do it. Flee from it as you would flee from a plague, because that is what it is. But for those who are toying with drugs, please come out of it. And if you're already in it and feeling helpless, this podcast is really about you. I want to assure you that you can do it even in the strength of the Lord. I encourage you to believe in yourself. You are specially made. I will quote Ralph Waldo Emerson, who said that which we persist in doing becomes easier, not because the nature has changed, but because our efforts have increased. I want you to know that you do not need to settle for less. There is no need to become mediocre or a mediocre when excellence is possible and can be attained. Please make up your mind. You only need to try. And I believe if you don't give up, you will win surely. For more information about where you can get advice or guidance, you can visit Mayo Clinic. There is also recovery.org. We also have familydoctor.org, and you have Church of Jesus Christ Gospel Library app where you can get a book called The Parent's Guide. Once again, I invite you to take this bold step. I want to thank my listeners and all who have listened to me. Thank you and God bless you.